it is me. I am back. It has been a while. Oh my gosh, it is Miss Mitchell here to help you out. Okay, tonight's homework is your study guide. We're going to be working on numbers 7. Remember we said today we're going to skip number 8 for tonight. We're going to complete number 10, 11, 13, 16. And what other number did we add? 17. You got it. All right, I'm going to help you out on a couple of these because I know we've been moving a little bit quick. And so I wanted to slow it down for you and help you out just in case you needed some help. Tonight's homework, you are going to need your handy dandy reference chart. So take a moment and get that out. Ta-da! Hey, look, I'm magic. There it is. All right, so you have your handy dandy reference chart. We're going to start on number 7. I'm going to do 2 of the problems with you just to make sure you have the hang of converting customary units. Capiche? Remember customary units, we said we're going to focus on this side, your length, your volume and capacity, and then your weight and mass. Let's see if I can zoom this out just a tad bit. All right, I think that's going to work. All right, volunteers at a nature preserve measured the tree saplings. Miss Mitchell can't see, I got to get up. All right, the chart below shows the name of each volunteer and the height of the tree he or she measured. So if I look at the chart, I want to look over the chart, see what it's about. It's about tree sapling heights, the name of the volunteers. Okay, got that. And over here, it shows me the height of the trees. I notice it's in 2 yards, 76 inches, 5 feet 9 inches, and 2 feet 5 inches. So what I've noticed is they're all in different units. And so we need to make them have the same measurements. Which volunteer measured the tallest tree? So I know I'm looking for the tallest tree, but that's hard to do if they're not in the same measurement. So I'm going to have to convert them. What's the easiest way to convert these? Should I convert them to yards, inches, or feet? Hopefully you said inches, because that's your smaller unit, right? And I'm going to take each one of these and convert them to inches. So I'm going to put 2 yards equals blank inches, like we did today in class. And then I'm going to go ahead and put yards equals inches. I'll look at my handy dandy reference chart. I want to see how yards and inches equal to one another. I'm in the length area. And I can see on here in class we wrote 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, which is also equal to 36 inches. So 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. So now that I know that, I know my yards is my larger unit. This must be my smaller unit. So I'm going from larger to smaller. You gotta multiply. So that means if I have 1 yard and there's 36 inches, and I have 2 of those, that means I have 2 36s. I need to multiply 36 times 2. I'm going to quickly multiply. 2 times 6 gives me 12. 2 times 36 plus 1 more is, you're correct, 72. So that means if I have 2 yards, it's also equal to 72 inches. So I'll just put here, 2 yards equals 72 inches. Kevin's number is already in inches. He has 76 inches. Then there's Wanda. She has 5 feet and 9 inches. Well, she has some inches, but she also has feet. So I'm going to take her feet and I'm going to convert those into inches. How about you try to do it, hit pause, and then come back and check to see if you have the answer correct. All right, thanks for coming back. Check to see, did you put feet and inches? Now I'm going to look at my handy dandy reference chart. See how they equal one another. I have 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So I have 1 foot equal to 12 inches. Larger to smaller, you gotta multiply the lips. So I know if I have 1 feet is 12 inches. So if I have 5 of them, I would have 5 12s. So 12 times 5. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply that. Hopefully you know your 12 backs. And if you do, you should get 60. You're correct. But here's the deal. She had 5 feet and 9 inches. So don't forget to add those 9 inches she already had. So we have, this is 60 inches. So 60 plus 9 gives me 69 inches. And there's one more, 2 feet into 5 inches. Well, I know she already has 5 inches, but we got to convert the 2 feet into how many inches? Once again, I can go ahead and do my conversion, looking at my chart. I know there's 1 foot into 12 inches, because I just looked that one up. I know I'm going from a larger unit to a smaller unit. So the hand motion goes larger. I can't get my hands. Let's see. Larger to smaller. You gotta multiply. So I'm gonna multiply. Do I do 2 times 1 or do I do 2 times 12? Right, I do 2 times 12 because if 1 foot is 12, then 2 feet would be 12 plus 12, which is 12 times 2, 24. Now, once again, you can't forget. Nora has 5 inches. So 24 inches plus the 5 she already has is what? You're correct, 29. Now that they're all in the same unit in inches, I can now find out who measures the tallest tree. I'll leave that to you to figure it out. All right, and there's one more problem I'm going to work out with you. Now tonight's problems, we did number 7, skip 8, skip 9, number 10, number 11, 13, 16, and 17. Because I only want to focus on the ones that you know how to do. We haven't done metric yet, so notice those are the ones that we've skipped. We'll talk about that tomorrow. All right, we're going to work on number 13. This glass panel for an office building window is 48 inches wide by 8 feet long. What is the area of the glass? Notice they said the word area, right? So I'm going to immediately write down my formula for area. Well, I know this is a rectangle because it has 4 right angles. The opposite sides are the same. So I'll flip it over. I'll look for area. It's not a square, it's a rectangle. So here is my formula for area. Length times width. And I'm going to plug in the numbers. It's 48 inches long and 3 feet wide. Uh-oh. Well, let's see. 48 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 4 is 12, 13, 14. Wait a minute. What's wrong? Do you see what's going on here? Oh, and Miss Mitchell messed up. 1, this is 8. The copy didn't print this off very well. That's better. 8 times 8 is 64. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 6 more. 384. Oh, my answer's here. Wait, what? You said I did something wrong? What did I do incorrectly? Exactly. This is feet, this is inches. They're 2 different units. I can't multiply 2 different units. So although this answer is here, that is so wrong. That is not the answer. Remember, your inches and feet, they have to be in the same measurement or the same units. So, once again, it's easy to change the larger units to smaller units. So I'm going to try doing that. I'm going to try to take 8 feet. Oh, but wait. Look at your answer choices. Your answer choices are in feet. So I'm thinking not change the feet into inches, but I should change the inches into feet. So I'll do that. 48 inches equals blank feet. I copy down the units I'm using. Inches equals feet. I'll look at my handy dandy reference chart. I can see that how many inches are in a foot. Well, there's 1 foot for every 12 inches. So notice this time I'm starting out with inches, which is a smaller unit than feet. So I'm doing the sled. Smaller to larger, you gotta divide. Can you do the dance? Smaller to larger, you gotta divide. See the division hands? Yeah. And what do we divide? Well, look. It shows you right there. 48 divided by 12. Because for every 12 inches, we get 1 foot. So we're going to break it up. So 48 divided by 12. Do you know your 12 facts? If you do, you should know 12 times 4 is 48. Because 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. So my answer is 4. So this 48 inches is no longer 48 inches. It is now 4 feet. That makes it really easy. So it's 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is, that is the correct answer. All right. Well, hopefully that helped you out. And now you'll only have a couple more questions to answer on your own. Enjoy and take your time. And don't forget to use your handy dandy reference chart. Talk to you later.